Is your Haier Inverter AC showing error codes? Don't worry, in this video we explain all high AC error codes and their solutions. Haier Inverter AC stopped or flashing codes? No tension, watch this video to understand every Haier AC error code easily. Haier Inverter AC error code problem. This video covers all indoor and outdoor error codes with easy fixes. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content. Error E1, Indoor Room Temperature Sensor Error. Error E2, Indoor Pipe or Coil Temperature Sensor Error. Error E4, Indoor EEPROM Error, which is a PCB data fault. Error E7, Communication Failure between the indoor and outdoor units. Error E9, High Load Protection due to coil overheating. Error E14, Indoor Fan Motor or Blower Motor Failure. Outdoor unit error codes indicate specific malfunctions in HVAC systems. Always check the manual for accurate diagnosis. Error F1, IPM Module Protection or Inverter Board Fault. Error F2, Outdoor Ambient Temperature Sensor Error. Error F3, Outdoor Pipe or Condenser Temperature Sensor Error. Error F4, Compressor Exhaust or Discharge Temperature Sensor Error. Error F6, Outdoor EEPROM Error or PCB Data Fault. Error F7, Compressor Suction Temperature Sensor Error. Error F8, Outdoor Fan Motor Error. Error F11, Compressor Start Abnormality or Sink Failure. Error F12, Outdoor Mainboard PCB Error. Error F19, DC bus voltage is too high or too low. Error F21, this is normal frost removal or defrosting operation. Error F22, overcurrent protection for the AC module. Error F23, overcurrent protection for the compressor. Error F25, compressor exhaust temperature is too high. Error F28, loop fin temperature sensor or heatsink sensor error. Error P1, anti-freezing protection triggered due to low coil temperature. Error P2, overcurrent protection. The system is drawing too much power. Error P3, communication abnormality between the units. Error P4, exhaust temperature protection due to high heat. Error P6, IPM module high temperature protection. Error P9, high pressure protection. Check for gas issues or system blockage. Error L1, DC bus low voltage protection. Error L2, DC bus high voltage protection. Error L3, communication error between outdoor mainboard and driver board. Error L5, compressor phase current protection. Error LC, compressor startup failure, likely due to a mechanical jam. We hope this comprehensive list helps you diagnose and fix your anyone AC issues quickly. If you found this technical guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more informative technical videos and expert AC repair tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.